Flying fish is one of the most interesting fish that can be seen jumping out of the sea. They live in all of the oceans, particularly in tropical and warm subtropical waters. There are about 64 species of flying fish around the world, and commonly found in the top layer of the ocean, to a depth of about 200 meters. The flying fish actually don't have the ability to fly like a birds, but they jump up and glide through the air for short distances. They have pectoral fins that have similar function to the bird's wings. Some species of flying fish have 4 wings. These 4-winged flying fish have large pectoral fins, as well as large pelvic fins. When flying fish are in danger, they speed up under the water by wagging their tails and keeping their fins close to the body. Then they spread their wings and leap into the air, gliding for around 45 seconds. Once in the air, their rigid wings can make them glide up to 200 meters. At the end of a glide, they fold their pectoral fins to re-enter the sea, or drop their tails into the water to push against the water to lift for another glide, possibly changing direction. The main reason for this behavior is believed to be escape from predators. Flying fish can be up to 18 inches long, but average 7 to 12 inches. They eat a variety of foods, but plankton make up a large portion of their diet, and sometimes small crustaceans. Although flying fish gliding ability helps them to escape from sea predators like tuna, mackerel and swordfish, but they become the target of seabirds once they are in the air. The flying fish are attracted to light, like a number of sea creatures, and fishermen take advantage of this with substantial results. They are commercially fished in Japan, Vietnam, and China by gill netting, and in Indonesia and India by dip netting. Often in Japanese cuisine, the fish is preserved by drying to be used as fish stock for dashi broth. There is currently no protection status on these animals.